What are those pictures for?
I don't answer no question.
Huh?
I don't answer no questions, sir.
Then why are you taking pictures of the face?
Why not?
I don't
Is it
know.
illegal or
Huh?
is it illegal?
Yeah, you don't need to.
Oh, can I take some pictures?
Huh?
Can I take some pictures?
No, you can't.
Why?
Huh? Why you want the pictures for?
Oh, that's actually for a project.
A project?
Yeah.
Then to speak with the owner.
Oh yeah, who's the owner?
Huh? He's not here right now.
Okay.
So please, can you leave?
No,
You
I'm
can't
not gonna
take
leave.
pictures of the face.
I'm sorry?
You can take pictures of the face.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call the police then.
Oh, call the police then.
Okay.
Crying baby. Why do you have to call the police, man?
Huh? You can be taking pictures.
Yes, I can. Why do you have to take? Why do you have to call the police?
Huh?
What do you have to call the police? You're a crying baby, dude. This guy's a crying baby, dude. Don't be a crying baby, dude. Don't be a snitch, dude. Why you have to be a snitch? You're a snitch, dude. Why you have to be a snitch, dude? Why you have to be a snitch, huh? Why you have to be a snitch, dude? Why? Why you have to be a snitch? You a snitch, dude. Seriously. Seriously, dude. I didn't approach you, dude. You approached me, dude. Just let me do my business, man.
Well, the owner's coming. Then you explain to them.
All right, snitch. Bye, snitch.
I don't care.
Doesn't matter. You're the snitch, dude. You're a crying baby, dude.
I don't care.
You're a crying baby. You be a... Grow up, dude. How old are you, dude? You 6 years old?
Why, are you kidding me or what?
What?
I'm here where we parked. How can I help you? How can I help you?
Hey, 6 feet, man.
No, how can I help you?
6 feet. How can I help you?
No, I'm just. What are you up to?
Well, Big Baby called you because I'm taking pictures.
No, I'm just saying. How can I help you? You need.
How can I help you?
You need something or?
You need something? Do you need something, baby? That's a crying baby right there, dude. I already got your picture, dude. Yes, it can. Yes, it can.
Just let this guy go. He just sounds like trouble. It's all good.
Crying baby right here. Crying baby.
I don't care, man.
Doesn't matter, dude. I can take pictures, dude.
Picture of you, huh? Okay. Smile for me.
You always approach people on the sidewalk, though?
No, but it's... Dude, you were inside the property.
I was not inside the property, dude.
Inside the property.
No, I was not inside the property, crying baby.
Oh, was he trespassing? Yeah, he was trespassing.
Yeah, go look at your camera, dude. Go look at your cameras. Babies. Don't be a baby, dude. Go, you too. Go. Grow up. Go back to work.
Biggest baby right here.
Well, I didn't approach you guys. You approached me.
Well, if you're inside the property line, you shouldn't be in there, number one. And I don't know why you're wearing a construction hard hat.
Doesn't matter, dude. You don't wear it. We're not wearing one. And this guy's not wearing one either. This guy's wearing a hat.
So what?
I will send this to OSHA and see how you guys like that. How you guys like that?
Go just go inside. This guy's nothing.
Good. Just go inside, cry baby. Go and have your chuponcito and your teterito. Chavalita. Whatever, chavala. Let's go back to work, man. Yeah, go check your cameras, dude.
I'm here to hear my friend. I got patience.
What?
I got patience. I can
Oh, yeah, me
wait all
too.
day long.
Me too, dude.
Yeah, all right. What do you want?
Your boss already told you to go back inside. Is that your boss?
Huh?
Is that your boss?
My boss, but I'm out already.
Okay, just leave then. What are you doing over here?
I don't want to leave. This is the street.
Okay, then, exactly. This is the street. I can be here.
Yeah.
Don't be a crime baby,
I'm
dude.
not a crime baby.
Yes, you are,
No,
dude.
you're worse.
Don't be.
I gotta leave already. I gotta leave.
No worries, go ahead. Go ahead. Don't listen to him. Ignore him.
Okay.
Worst thing you can do.
Okay.
Yeah, leave, crime baby.
Sure thing, yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
Whatever.
I didn't approach you. I didn't approach you guys.
You were inside the truck.
No, I was not. Look at your cameras, dude. I'll record your plates, you know.
If something happened to my car, I know where to go to.
Where?
I have your video.
Where to go?
I already got your
Well, you didn't have me on video, nothing, dude. Just get out of here, dude. The snitch here, guys. Got the plates. I didn't got your Bing number, dude. That's it. All right. I got your Bing number right here, dude. Because you're being a snitch. Back inside, man. Go to work. Hey, you just throw the thing on me, you know? Do you know you just throw the gay on me? Oh yeah, the magic gay, huh? You think I won't be able to record? Don't be a dumbass, dude. I record from here. And you hit me with the gay, dude. So now you calling mommy and daddy? Or you calling daddy? Unbelievable. Call the cops. Bye, ladies. The call cops, guys.
Hey, park still on Monday, right? Park still on Monday.
Yeah, they left. Bye, Felicia. So cops left, guys. Oh yeah, they're gonna come back here. Oh no! Hey, educate the guy. He's an anti-American. You anti-American, sir, on red? This is a First Amendment protected activity. Bye, Felicia. Go back to work. They're leaving, guys.